Alright, here is a place with some Nordines, and these are on these plastic legs, or risers, or whatever they're called. I drove past here a while back, and I was wondering if they were heat pumps, so we're going to find out. Nope, this is a straight cool unit. They're on those. I don't think straight cools should go on those, because those are more for just heat pumps. This is a 2.5 ton from 2012. Clearly not been running. It's about 35 out. But in my opinion, you should only put heat pumps on those, because it's to keep it out of the snow. But you don't really need to keep a straight cool out of the snow, because it doesn't run in the winter. These are NuTone branded. Here's another straight cool unit. I am going to film this whole complex though, even though they're only straight cools. This is a 4 ton from 2011. Another one. These have Copeland scrolls. 4 ton from 2012. And over there is an American Standard and a bunch of weird mini splits. This one doesn't have a logo. 5 ton from 2011. The 4 tons are the same size as the 5 tons. Down here is some Merritts and some Tranes. 3 Trane XRs, 2 little Lennox Merritts. This is a 4-bladed fan. I assume this is also a straight cool, but I can't see in it. Yeah, that's a straight cool, I think, by the model number. 3 ton. It's gonna be a 3 ton. This is tiny. 2012. Yeah, I think these are straight cools. Another one. (2012) 3 ton. Those are so tiny for 3 tons. And 3 Trane XRs. Whoa, look at that weird compressor blanket. (2015) 3.5 ton. Let me see if this is a heat pump. Nope, this is a straight cool. Dang it. That is a huge compressor blanket. Well, that's the compressor itself. That's a huge compressor. I wonder if, I don't know, 2014, 1.5 ton. And another one. Oh no, never mind. That's just a blanket. Those have got really big compressor blankets. 2015, 3.5 ton. Alright. So, 9 units back behind here. 4 Nordines, 2 Lennoxes, 3 Tranes. I'm gonna go back here because this is a complex. So I want to film all the units here. I see some more. I was hoping they would be heat pumps, but those Nordines fooled me because they're on legs. So there's some Yorks and some more Lennoxes. There's a whole lot of units back here. I like these Yorks. They sadly have microchannel though. They're just like the bunch of Champions I found. Champions basically are Yorks just rebadged. That's a recip. Microchannel. That one's tiny. 3.5 ton from 2018. What's cool is that York still uses reciprocating compressors even in their modern units. This one is very tiny, and I like the fan blades. This one's also got a reciprocating compressor. 2018, 1.5 ton. Yeah. I like those 2 Yorks. Here's another. Reciprocating. These would be nice if they didn't have microchannel. 2.5 ton from 2017. 2 Lennoxes. These places aren't open, so that's good. Wow, there's a whole lot of units back here. Big complex. It's a shame these are not heat pumps. Here's a newer Lennox Merit. And another one. Here's the data. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time by these since there's a window right there. That's from 2020, so both of those are new. And then there's a bunch of 3 of them here. And all those. Man, there's a lot of units at this complex. 3 Merits. I like how these are organized. Straight coal unit. 2016. 2-ton. 2016 2-ton. These have scroll compressors. That is a Copeland, I think. But these places aren't open. This one is smaller than the rest. There's the data on that one. Then here are some more units on legs, so let's hope these are heat pumps. Lennox Elites. Dang it, it's a straight cool. 2016. Either a 2.5 ton or a 2-ton, but either way, this thing's huge. This is a 16 seer though, so. But yeah. Whenever units are on those things, I'm going to assume they're heat pumps. This one has really cool fan blades. Straight cool. I think that might be a 3-ton. And then, oh, the year. It's from 2016. Here's another one just like that one. Another straight coal that has a Copeland scroll. 2016 3-ton, I think. I don't know. And then another one. This one's really big. Has the cool blades. This one's a straight cool unit too. That place is closed. 2016 5-ton. That one's a 5-ton. Alright. I'm gonna look for any more. No more on over there. There is one more building over there, but it's not walking distance. So yeah. Units at this place, they're all straight coals. But it would be a good place to go to in the summer to get startups and stuff, but I wanted to find some new places with heat pumps since my choices are still limited. So Lennoxes, Yorks, Tranes, and Nordines. Alright, I'll go back to the beginning one more time. It's rather chilly. It's about 35 or something. Alright, here is the beginning again. Not sure what those are, but that's at a house, so I'm not going to go up to those. Weird mini splits. 2 of them right there. Alright, Trane XRs, Lennoxes, and the Nordines. 2 of those weird mini splits there. Right there, there's the grills. And then there's an American Standard and 2 more of those mini splits. But I think that place is a house, so I'm not going to go up to them. So here's these Nordines again. Alright, if I find any more at this place, then I'll start. Alright, look at this. There's one more unit at the whole complex, and it's a Carrier Infinity. And it's a heat pump, and it's running. Awesome. 2019 4-ton, so this is new. Well, fairly new. That's nice and hot. This is a heat pump. See, this is on the risers. Carrier Infinity heat pump. It's really big. Here's a data sheet. I think it's a 16 seer. Nice. It's really quiet. Carrier Infinity. Carrier Infinity heat pump. The last unit at this this place is a heat pump. Oh, it just shut off. Yep, it just shut off. That is a heat pump. There's a big compressor blanket. Yep, nice and hot. There's the reversing valve. Yep, heat pump. That was a weird shutdown noise. But yep, that's a Carrier Infinity heat pump. Alright, that was the whole complex. Only one heat pump, but it's a Carrier Infinity, so that's awesome. I got a shutdown of it. But yep, one Carrier Infinity heat pump and a bunch of Lennoxes, Yorks, Nordines, Tranes, and other stuff. Alright, out.